This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by LaGatha Baxter. Cute home in a great location. In the last 2 years, home has been painted inside and outside, new garage doors, vinyl flooring, carpet in bedrooms, open floor plan from living room to kitchen, split bedrooms, large master bedroom closet, large backyard with separate fence area you could use for your dogs, close to schools, shopping and restaurants. This home is move-in ready. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact LaGatha Baxter at 817-517-3693.